going to upload the file for the mini pouch keychain. And we're going to go here to the SVG folder, mini pouch SVG, open, continue, upload. We're going to ungroup it. So before you do the cut, there's just a few things to keep in mind here. So these panels here are for the end of the zipper. So if you're using a thick faux leather, you might want to cut this in half and just use half, or maybe use your lining fabric. I'm using a pretty thin faux leather, so I think it'll be okay with those there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make, no, I don't want to save it. All right, so my layout I'm going to change a little bit because of where I have my, I've put HTV vinyl on the back of a faux leather rather than using a lining for this pouch. So I've got to squeeze everything in the space where I have the HTV vinyl. See, that's a little crooked. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to select faux leather, but I don't want paper thin because I have that HTV vinyl there. I feel like it's going to be a little bit thicker. So I'm going to pick I guess we will use the faux leather paper thin, but what I will do is I will apply a little bit more pressure. I'm going to put more pressure and I'm going to go ahead and load that into the machine and we'll see how it cuts.